Alright, this is American Standard Version Bible verses in Morse code, and this block here is the query block, and then this is the results. So you submit in the query block, but you have to choose a Bible name, so a Bible book name. So choose Genesis, and the same with chapter. You got to put in a chapter. And we'll choose chapter 1. Now here you can leave the verse blank and get the entire chapter, or you can choose a verse. We'll choose a chapter. You can set your speed and volume. Submit it, and it says Bible verse selected. So you play it, plays the code. You can display the code and undisplay it, and you can display the verse and undisplay it. And you can also leave the chapter blank, or the verse blank, and you get an entire chapter. Submit it, play it, display the code, and it's a lot of code because one for each verse, and it breaks on verse, and also you can display the verses. Now, at some point, I hope to combine these two so that the code shows right under each verse. And that's it. And it's completely free to use. And here's the website. Hope you try it. Thanks.